Everybody spoke lately of YouTube Shorts, but nobody has given a precise method on how they might truly earn money. You don't need to record videos or write a script for your videos. Still, you can earn thousands of dollars by uploading shorts on YouTube videos. If you're not sure what YouTube Shorts are, they're basically YouTube's equivalent of TikTok or Instagram Reels. Shorts are 60-second videos that are intended to garner a large number of views and go viral. Now, I understand that you probably don't have a lot of spare time to sit around making YouTube clips. I'll teach you how to rapidly create content for your YouTube channel. Now, before we proceed further with the video, smash the subscribe button for daily videos on how to earn money at the comfort of your home. Now let's dive into the video. The first step in generating money from YouTube Shorts is to discover a video that will become extremely popular. So we're going to do that right here on YouTube. I will show you by taking an example in the health niche, but you can do this trick for every niche like gaming, pet, prank, business, or any niche you can think of. Now, I will go to the YouTube search bar and we'll search for how to get bigger arms. A lot of videos will show up. As you can see right on your screen, these videos have millions of views. All these videos are very informative. If you want to get bigger arms, you can watch these videos. Just kidding, you are here to make money, so we will proceed with that process only. On top of your screen, you will find an option called Filters. We are going to click on that option. Under the Features option, you will get a Creative Commons option. I want you to click on that. All Creative Commons videos will be going to show up. Creative Commons videos are those videos that you can re-upload on your channel in a legal and free way. But we are not going to re-upload these videos just like that. We will be going to edit these videos so that they can come under the category of YouTube Shorts. Select any of these videos that you like. I will go with this video. I am going to copy this video link, then we'll go to step 2, which is to download this video to our computer. So, how are we going to achieve that? I want you to visit snappy.com. This is a site that converts YouTube videos to MP4 format. Paste the video link that you have copied and click on Convert. Download the video as you like in 360 pixels or 720 pixels. I would recommend downloading the video in high quality. Click the download button and the video will download on your computer. Okay, so you've downloaded the video to your computer. Then we'll proceed to step 3, which will be really simple. We'll head over here to canva.com. We're on Canva because we need to convert that video into a vertical video. I have already made a detailed video on how to earn money from Canva. If you want to watch that video, you can click the video link that is showing on your iCard. Now on Canva, I want you to search for mobile video. After you have searched for a mobile video, click on Create a blank video. On the left-hand side, you will find the option called Upload. Click on that and upload the video that you have downloaded. It will take some time. After the video has been uploaded, drop the video on the canvas and drag the video to make it look something like this. We will leave some spaces in the top and bottom. You will know about this in the later part of this video. We will crop the best part from this video to make it below 60 seconds. I am doing it as an example. That's why I have not watched the video, but make sure you watch the video and select the best parts from that video. Click on the text and write the text in the free spaces that we left. Like, want to get fit? Check the link in the description. We are going to add links in the description, and that will be the source from where we will be making money. The video will look something like this. We will simply download this video. I will be heading back to my YouTube channel and we will be uploading the video that we have downloaded. As you can see, we have downloaded the video. Make sure to make some attractive titles and must put #shorts in your video. Till now you came to know how we can use videos available on YouTube and convert them into shorts for our own use. Now, it's time to earn some money by giving some affiliate links in our description box. I want you to visit Digistore and sign up for affiliate programs. The sign-up process for Digistore is very easy. If you want me to make a proper video on how to sign up for Digistore affiliate program, comment down below. On the Digistore marketplace you will find many products of different categories. Since our video is related to health and fitness, we will be promoting health products in our description box. There are around 63 products that you can promote under the health and fitness category. Choose whatever you like. I will go with this product. Here you can read I will get this much amount of dollars for every sale through my link. I will copy my promo link and will paste the link in my video description box, something like this. So when someone clicks on that link and purchases the product, I will get paid. In this way you can earn money by simply uploading the short videos. You don't need to make your own video to earn money from YouTube Shorts. Repeat these steps for more videos and earn more money. If you want to earn more money, click the videos that are showing on your screen right now. Hit like, share and subscribe to my channel for more money making videos. I will meet you with another video. Take care.